going to be hatching the urban egg that
Let's have a
just
look
came
at
out.
Got
And it has the
graffiti.
last task.
It's
Alright,
got
the
a
last
paw
task
print,
is
a hat,
1.
and a star. Right.
Alright, we're gonna hatch it. What's it gonna be? Tell me what it is, camera lady.
This is the first pet we've seen from this.
Tell
egg.
me what it is, camera lady. No, we've
Okay.
seen a seagull before.
Oh, it's not a seagull.
Oh, what is
It might be a legendary black
kite.
kite. Hey, like our red
It's
kite.
an ultra rare.
Ultra rare. That's not bad.
I like
This
it.
is black kite. There we go. It's an ultra rare. That's not bad for a first hatch. An ultra rare.
Yeah.
There he is, black kite.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I
thanks
can
for
get
joining us,
I can get $45 for my task.
Right. See you later.
Bye, guys.